These are things you must do immediately you post on YouTube. First and foremost is adding end screens. What are end screens? End screens are those videos that you attach like box on the screen of a video at the end of a video, so that your audience, when your audience watch a particular video, they can move on to watch another video and another video and another video. Why are end screens used more than link in description? Because people don't normally have the energy to go to the description and read a lot of links or go to a lot of links before they tap on a particular link, right? So it's better to use end screens in your video, like this or like this or like this in your video. That way people are able to tap on your video, on the video you added at your end screen, and go and watch another video that belongs to you, and from there that increases your watch hour and they keep consuming more and more of your content. Another thing you have to do immediately you post on YouTube is adding cards. Cards are added like this or like this. Any part of this place on the screen is what I call cards. Like, I'm going to attach a card here of how to go viral on YouTube. I made a video of that in the past. I'm going to add the card here or here on the video. These are called cards. And how you can do this is go to studio.youtube.com on the web, not the studio app, on the web, and you do it. I'll do a different video explaining how to add end screens and how to add cards. If you want to see that video, drop a comment in the comment section and I'll make a video on how you can add end screens and add cards to your video. These end screens and cards help your audience. When you tell them, tap this video here, tap this link here to watch a video on how to do this and how to do that, they can easily move from that particular video you already told them to that different video, right? And continue watching. And people mostly put end screens and cards towards the end of the video, because that's when they probably finish watching a particular video and they move into the next video and watch a different video. Why is it almost obviously put at the end or towards the end? Because so when the audience have probably watched at least 3 to 5 minutes of that particular existing video, that way they don't have to like short the views of a particular video just to watch another video, if you understand. So adding cards at least 5 minutes or towards the end of the video, whereby giving them a solution. By this video now, I might tell you, if you want to learn how to go viral on YouTube in 2024 or 2025, tap this link up here, and yes, you will learn how to, and you will easily move into that particular end and watch that particular video. Another thing you have to do before or after you upload on YouTube is downloading the vidIQ app. This is not the paid adverts. This is just me trying to help you guys. Download the vidIQ app. What the vidIQ app does for you is it optimizes your video very, very well. Even me, I use vidIQ. Sometimes if you go to my YouTube channel, you see that I use a particular title today and tomorrow I changed it, because the vidIQ app suggested that you change it to a better title, so that it can be search. It has to be more search engine and has to be more optimized for people to find my videos, right? So what vidIQ does for you is, when you make a video and post on YouTube, you go to vidIQ, it rates the search engine, it rates the title, rates the thumbnail, and tell you whether is it good or bad or you should change it. Then the way I do my own is after like 24 hours and the views are not really the way I want it to look, I go to vidIQ and it changes the details, changes one or two things, the titles, the thumbnail, the description, the keywords, and all that. When I change it, I might see improvement, I might not see improvement. But these are things that you should do immediately you post on YouTube to see a different change from usual. And I also do this on my YouTube channel. So like this, I've got to the end of this video. These are my end screens of this video. These are my end screens of this video. Do well to tap on them and watch all of my videos. And I will see you guys on my next video.